Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how to resolve the missing SKUs in your Google shopping feed. So here you can see the number of SKUs are 269, and if we move to our Google Merchant Center, here the number of SKUs are 251. So it means these are imbalanced. Why they are imbalanced? Have a look on it. If the number of SKUs in your product inventory does not match the number of SKUs in your Google Merchant Center, there might be two possible reasons. The first one is the duplicate SKUs or the missing SKUs. So have a look on the product ID. Let's Here's the product ID. You can say the item ID. These are the SKUs we send, and these are imbalanced. So we can solve this issue either by two methods. First one is we can create a new feed, or we will go with the setting. So and let me add something here. You will see along with the all feeds, here is the introduction video. These are the mini tutorials we have added in our app along with each and every step for your convenience. You can watch this tutorial for getting detailed knowledge and detailed information about each and every step. I will also attach the link in the description box. Now I have to click on create feed. Here you can see I will go with the global format, but now let me select the second option, that is the setting. Here you can see switch to see the saved feed, as our app can create multi-feed. So we will switch to the other feeds we have created, and we can also change the account. If we click on it, you will see this notification that once you change your Gmail account, all of your saved product data will be permanently deleted. So I will definitely not go with this option right now. I will simply close this, and here is my domain and the merchant center ID. Here is my Shopify market, that is Germany, that is the primary market. Here is the currency and the language of my market. Here is the feed name, and that is basically used internally. Here is the product webhook setting. It is very important feature, as we own it and do watch this tutorial as well for getting the detailed information. It is one of the important feature as people prefer using it. Here is the product ID format. Click on the global format. Here you can see the product title and description. I suggest go with the default title and description, as it has more chances to get optimized. Here is the variant submission. I have selected all. You can either go with the first variant as well. Here is the brand submission. I have selected vendor. Let me show you in the product. You will see here is the brand, and here is its name. So I will go with the domain right now, and product identifier. Make sure choose this option if you have GTN, otherwise leave it as it is. Basically, the product identifier is made up of three things: manufacturing part number, GTN, and SKU. We don't have the GTN, we have only SKUs, and we send the manufacturing part number by default. And please don't enable this option if you don't have the GTN. So next, here is the sale price with computer. All other rest of the data will be remain same as we have set earlier. Now click on resync. Here this message will appear that upon resynchronization, earlier changes you have made in your product feed setting will be deleted, and new product feed settings will be sent to Google Merchant Center. So now click on the save button. Feed being updated. Now we have to reload this page to see the total SKUs. Simply reload this page. Oh, 280 SKUs, it means our duplicated SKUs were also missing. In settings, let's see is our changes appear or not. Here is the global format. We have changed the global format from SKUs to global format. And in our merchant center account, let me check the SKUs by reloading that page as well. Here you can see 280. So the issue is resolved now. Let me open a product and see the changes we have made appear or not. Here is the feed name, and we have changed the vendor to domain. And let's see, is our domain appear? Yes, here is the domain name. And other than SKU, here is the Shopify ID. And you can see, make sure if you are a dropshipper, go with this option. Otherwise, on a brand, you must go with the GTN and product identifier method. It is a great approach. So this is how our app works, and you can settle your missing SKUs in Google Shopping feed. I hope you have got the complete idea, and you will enjoy the experience. Do share your feedback, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.